Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Very Easy Lamb Bhuna, and the curries don't come any easier in this one. The hardest thing is getting the ingredients together. And don't let the list of ingredients put you off, it's only a matter of getting them together and putting them in the pot. And talking about ingredients, a full list can be found in the description box below. Okay, to start making this curry, put a pan on the heat and add the oil. Then put all the rest of the ingredients in the pan and mix together. Doesn't matter what order you do them in, you haven't got to fry anything off first, just put them in and mix them through. I mean, normally you have to fry off the meat, brown it, remove it, put it in batches, fry off the onions, put the onion and garlic in there, start that off. Not this one, everything in the pot, mix it round. I first came across this way of cooking the curry on another YouTube channel called Latif's Inspired, so credit where credit's due. I've no idea where he got the idea from, but it's certainly watching his video that gave me the idea of trying it. So Latif's Inspired, thank you for that. When all the ingredients have been added to the pot and thoroughly mixed in, add enough water so the meat is covered, put onto a high heat and bring up to a boil. Then when the liquid is boiling, turn down the flame to low and allow it to simmer. Allow it to simmer, stirring every 5 to 10 minutes until the oil separates on the top of the curry and the right consistency that you want is achieved. And that's it, simple as that. It tasted pretty good and all. So thank you Latif's Inspired again. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. And hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.